few things I've noticed amongst accounting beginners is that many of them focus on passing exams, but nobody actually prepares them for the practical side of accounting. And honestly, when they get into the workplace, they struggle a lot because they realize that accounting is more than just calculations and theory. Because as an accountant, you are expected to solve problems, to organize financial information, to use software, or to prepare financial reports. Sometimes you even explain these numbers to people who do not understand accounting at all. So if you're an accounting beginner, there are few things I really think you should know early as you kickstart your accounting journey. The first is that you must understand your accounting basics. Yes, understand the debit side and the credit side properly. Understand your journals, understand your ledgers, understand your trial balance, understand your financial statements, because most advanced accounting falls back to this accounting foundation. And if your foundation is weak, it means that you will find it difficult later as you advance in your accounting career. The second step is to learn Excel and other digital tools. Yes, very, very important. I say this almost all the time because many people underestimate how important Excel is in accounting. Many accountants use Excel almost every single day, from calculations to budgeting to tracking data. Excel is everywhere in accounting. So even knowing simple things like, your formulas, your formatting, your filtering, or even pivot table can already make you stand out from other people. So you must understand that employers value practical skills a lot. These days, it's not enough to say, oh, I studied accounting. You must understand the accounting software. You must know how to use the Excel tool, the QuickBooks, the Sage, the Power BI, the Google Sheet, because technology is changing accounting and modern accountants need digital skills to survive in this period. The third step you must understand is that details matters in accounting. Your ability to pay attention to details, because one small mistake can alter the entire financial statement. So learn and take your time or train yourself to check your work carefully, become organized very well. And in as much as you're becoming organized, make sure that you don't compare your journey with other people, because the truth is that some people learn faster while some people struggle at first to understand some basic things, and that is normal. So accounting can feel very, very overwhelming, especially when you're trying to balance learning Excel with formulas, with software, with accounting principles all at the same time. But the more you practice, the more confident you become in accounting. So the next thing you must understand is that as an accountant, you must never stop learning. Never stop learning, because the future belongs to those who keep learning, who keep evolving. So many accounting tools is coming out. Accounting is evolving rapidly. There is now automation, there is artificial intelligence, even data analytics is in accounting now. Digital reporting tools, cloud and collaboration. So the accountant that will stand out in the future is one who continues improving themselves, and continues adapting to change. So if you're a beginner accountant, one thing I want you to do is to focus on becoming better. So focus on becoming knowledgeable, focus on becoming digitally skilled, not just knowledgeable, but focus on becoming digitally skilled, because that combination is a very powerful tool today. And trust me, little by little, you will grow into becoming a better version of yourself and also improving in your career. So don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Bye.